went somewhere. He's flying an model airplane. So, while he's doing the model airplane, guys, maglalakad kami doon. Mag-hike kami. Kasama ko ang twins. Ayan yung plane, guys, oh. Yan yung model airplane. It's one of his hobbies. Ayan. It's controlling by remote control. Ayun si George, yung asawa ko, at saka yung truck.
My foot is stuck. Don't get it. This is how you break it. Look.
Ayan siya. Okay, let's go, girls. Let's go hike.
Yeah.
Let's take a little walk. So we went to church this morning, guys. Tapos nag-lunch. Man kami ngayon sa Apple Valley. It's an open field dito, guys. Dito niya gusto mag-fly ng kanyang model airplane. So it's good kasi mayroon walking or hiking trail dito, guys. So magwo-walk kami ng kambal while waiting matapos siya mag-fly ng kanyang airplane. Ganda ng view, guys, oh, 'di ba? Medyo malamig konti, guys. So they're hungry already. We're just started walking. So that's the Molly's Nipple Trail, guys. So nakaakyat na kami dyan, guys, with my group of friends dito sa Utah. So yan yung Molly's Nipple Trail.
You fly a plane over here.
I know, ang ganda ng view, guys, diba? Okay, come on, let's go. Ito yung trail, guys. So, hindi namin alam hanggang saan ito, pero we'll see. So, this is the name of the, guys, trail. Gold's Rim. We're heading to the Gold's Rim Hurricane Cliffs Trail System. Yan pala siya. Okay, come on, guys. Ganda ng sun, oh. Tapos yung trail doon, Molly's Nipple Trail. So ito pala Gold's Rim Trailhead. Yan pala yun. Okay, I'll take you a picture, okay?
Guys, my mom, my sister, following them. Okay, we're going this way, guys. Okay.
I think we have to go back. This is the end.
No, we can just walk down. I want to see.
No. Hanggang dito lang pala ito, guys. Dapat sinundan namin yung arrow pala. Kasi gusto namin. Ay, meron. Pwede doon. See? There's a trail over there.
Sister, over here. Look at this beautiful view down here.
What beautiful view.
Look, there's something.
Oh, yeah.
there.
Be careful.
Check it out.
Pat, be careful. You don't want to go all the way down.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Stop here. This way. Stop here. No more. Stop now. Oh, no, 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 no. Stop. Patty, I said stop.
Oh my God, that's so
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, there's a river.
Yeah, where?
Yana.
Mommy, come
Oh,
on.
nice.
It's nice up here. There's a river down there.
It's dry. Not too many water. Ganda dito, guys. Doon sa pala, doon sa side sa cliff na yan, may siya river. Pero hindi masyado marami ang tubig, guys. Tuyo pa siya. Ganda ng view. Nobody's here. Ouch.
I think I see Daddy right there.
So we don't know until where this trail gonna stop. Mahaba na yung lakad namin, guys. Yung view, ang ganda.
So mahaba ang trail na ito guys. I don't know kung saan ito mag-i-stop. Mahaba na yung nilakad namin ng kambal.
There's another
Gold
cow.
Swing Trail.
Mom, look, there's
Dito
another
to sa
cow.
may papuntang Apple Valley.
Look, Mommy, there's another
There's cow. Yeah, right there.
Another one.
Four cows.
1, 2, 3. And then another one, 4. 1, 2, 3. And I saw the track.
I think we should go back now. We should go on the other side too so we can see.
I want to look at this.
See my
until
cow
it
guys.
stops.
There's a cow right there.
I want to see this until it stops. Come on.
Wow, may apat. There's 4 cows.
No? I'll fix it, mine.
Laro sila guys.
This is where the
Ganda dito oh.
for little tiny people. This is where the trail goes for little tiny people. Like a little one. I love you.
Meron palang river dyan sa ilalim.
My sweet, sweet mommy. You make me
Yana, come. Let's go now. Come on.
Let's go, friend.
Ayan na si George. Sinundo kami dito guys. Tapos na siguro siya nag-fly ng kanyang model airplane. Ayan na yung truck.
Hi.
Patty!
Hi.
Oh, bumpy. Ito lang kami sasakay guys sa loob. Pagdating doon, lilipat kami sa loob kasi bawal.
I can see the other cows. I can see that cow over there. Look, Mom.
Oh yeah. Wow, yeah.
Oh, no.
Mhm.
Wolf's cow.
Oh yeah.
See, I told you.
Look.
They're not gonna run after you. They're just.
Ow.
So cute. They might lick you, so.
They have tags. You see the tag in the ear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like an ear here.
Mhm. Gold's Rim Trailhead.
I need to crawl back to where my spot
Yeah, sit down there.
Oh, that came in my butt now. My butt. It's actually funny.
Ayan guys, nagluluto ako ngayon ng pansit palabok. Natatakam ako. Namimiss ko yung palabok ng Jollibee guys. Ito na yung noodles. Niluluto ko na siya para lumambot. Tapos dito naman guys ay yung ground pork. Ginigisa ko na siya sa bawang at sibuyas. So ang sahog niya ay ground pork at saka itong shrimp guys. Yung malinis na. Ayan. Para makakain yung asawa ko si George. So yan lang guys. Tapos yung pampa sauce ko pala guys. Ito lang yung gagamitin ko guys. Yung Mamacita's palabok sauce. So ito guys. Tinimpla ko na yung pork guys habang ginigisa. Ito lang yung muna nilagyan ko. Yung Montreal steak seasoning. Kasi kompleto na ito guys. Mayroon na itong salt, pepper, ano pa ba. Basta marami ito siyang mix guys. Garlic and other spices, pork, beef, and seafood. So, pwede to siya guys gamitin. Pampalasa. Ito na yung sahog guys para sa palabok ko. At tapos na rin, luto na rin itong pansit palabok. Malambot na siya. Meron pala akong achuete powder for the yellow coloring. At palabok na sauce. So, easy and simple cooking of palabok lang guys. Para lang masatisfy ang cravings ko guys. Nafe-feel ko lang gusto kong kumain ng palabok. Kaya ayan na yung sauce. O, malapot na siya. Kumukulo na. Ilalagay ko na lang yung noodles. At ilalagay ko na yung mga sahog, guys. Parang mas maraming noodles kaysa sa sahog, guys. Pero okay lang. Pambahay lang naman, pangkain. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-boil ng eggs, guys. Baka mamaya na lang, huli na lang yun. So, sana kainin ng asawa ko, guys. Never siya kumain ng palabok. Kasi nga, yung iba, naglalagay ng tinapa, which is masarap din naman. Eh, ayaw niya yung lasa. At least ito ngayon, ground pork lang at saka yung malinis na shrimp, yung ready to eat na lang siya. Wala din pala akong chicharon, guys. Diba naglalagay tayo ng chicharon pang topping? Wala ako nun. Pero okay na lang din. Kasi baka hindi kainin ng asawa ko pag may mga ganun. Yan na lang, simple. Pambahay lang naman. Ayan, guys, oh. Hindi siya masyado yung parang orange or yellow. Pero pwede na. Masatisfy yung cravings ko. See, now you can eat. I'll just make like that. Maybe I'll add more shrimps next time.
Well, pretty good the way it is.
It's good? Yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Uwi na kami. See you in our next video. Bye!